thousands of years, humanity has looked at the stars and asked one of the deepest questions ever imagined. Are we simply the result of cosmic events? Or is there a greater intelligence behind the universe we call home? Science has taken us further than any previous generation. We have discovered distant galaxies, explored the smallest particles of matter, and uncovered the hidden laws that shape reality. But even after all these discoveries, one question remains. Can science prove the existence of God? The origin of the universe. Imagine finding a complex machine in the middle of nowhere. Your first question would naturally be, who created it? Because we understand that things which begin to exist usually have a cause. Now consider something far greater, the entire universe. According to modern science, our universe had a beginning. Around 13.8 billion years ago, space, time, and matter began expanding from an extremely hot and dense state known as the Big Bang. But this discovery leads to an even deeper question. If the universe itself had a beginning, what caused it to begin? Some philosophers argue that the ultimate cause of the universe must be something beyond space and time, something eternal and independent. For many people, this idea points toward the existence of God. But the mystery does not end with the beginning of the universe. Our universe appears to follow incredibly precise rules and conditions. Gravity, the forces of nature, and the properties of tiny particles all work within a delicate balance. If gravity were significantly stronger, stars could burn out too quickly, or the universe could behave very differently. If gravity were much weaker, stars and galaxies might never form. The same applies to other fundamental forces and constants of nature. Even very small changes in some of these values could create a universe without stars, planets, or life as we know it. This raises a profound question. How did the universe arrive at such precise conditions? Is it simply the result of natural processes and chance? Or does this incredible order point toward a deeper intelligence behind reality? Perhaps the greatest mystery is not somewhere beyond the stars. Perhaps it exists within us. The human brain is made of physical matter, billions of neurons working together in extraordinary complexity. Science can explain how the brain processes information, creates memories, and controls our actions. But one question remains. How does this physical system create the experience of being aware? A computer can process information, recognize images, and solve complex problems. But does a computer actually experience what it processes? Does it feel the beauty of music, the warmth of love, or the wonder of looking at the universe? This is the mystery of consciousness. How does physical matter become aware of itself? Science has transformed our understanding of reality. It has revealed the hidden worlds of atoms, uncovered the history of the cosmos, and helped humanity understand the natural laws that shape our universe. But science is a method with a specific purpose. It studies the natural and physical world, things that can be observed, measured, tested, and repeated. But what happens when a question goes beyond the physical world? Can a scientific instrument designed to study matter also measure something that is not made of matter? Imagine a metal detector searching for hidden objects underground. It is an amazing tool. It can detect metal buried beneath the surface. But if it fails to find a piece of glass, does that mean glass does not exist? No, it simply means the tool was designed to detect metal, not glass. Some philosophers argue that the question of God may be similar. If God exists as a non-physical and supernatural reality, then scientific instruments may not be the direct method to measure that existence. This does not prove that God exists, and it does not prove that God does not exist. It simply reminds us that different questions may require different ways of searching for answers. And at the edge of human knowledge, some mysteries still remain. The origin of the universe, the incredible precision of its laws, and the mystery of consciousness. So, can science prove the existence of God? The answer is not as simple as a laboratory experiment or a mathematical equation. Science can study the universe, its laws, and the mechanisms behind reality. But the question of God reaches beyond what science can currently test. From a theological and philosophical perspective, many thinkers believe that the existence, order, and complexity of the universe provide reasons to believe in a creator. Others continue to explore different possibilities about the nature of reality. Perhaps the greatest lesson is this: the more humanity discovers, the more we realize how vast the mystery truly is. The search for understanding continues. Welcome to MYTH Decoded.